Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Asana workspace step by step clearly. To activate your Asana workspace, start by navigating to the Asana website. Enter your email address associated with your Asana account. Click on the Login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, select Sign Up to create a new one. Once logged in, look for the Workspaces tab on the left side of the dashboard. Click on the Workspaces tab to view your existing workspaces. To activate a new workspace, select Create New Workspace at the bottom of the list. You will be prompted to enter a name for your new workspace. Fill in the workspace name and click Create Workspace. Your new workspace will immediately be activated and visible in your account. To customize your workspace, click on the workspace name at the top. Navigate to Workspace Settings to adjust preferences and permissions. Add team members by selecting the Share option within the workspace. Enter their email addresses and click Invite to bring them on board. Once your workspace is activated and configured, you can start creating projects. Click on the Projects tab to begin organizing your tasks and assignments. Explore additional features to enhance collaboration within your workspace. With your workspace fully activated, you're ready to boost your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.